Good day. So let's talk about Media Protocol ICO. The entire industry of content creators and them being rewarded in various ways for what they are doing is just becoming such a huge business and industry that is fleece as if everyone is becoming involved in it. Thanks to its sheer size, it should really not come as a surprise to discover that companies involved in the blockchain industry are looking at ways in which they can combine this technology and offering those rewards to content creators. After all, they are generally up to date with technology, so it makes sense that they will not be afraid of digital currencies. Media Protocol is a platform that can directly compensate content creators for their work, without any middleman taking a cut or collecting private data. The Media Protocol is not an app itself, but rather a software development kit that programmers can use to create decentralized apps. One has already been created using the platform. It properly relies on smart contracts and is used for the creation of audience economy. In addition, it is also used for giving reward to the audience belonging to the particular network. It provides a seamless integration of various apps and websites with the help of CDK. It is a content sharing network that enhances content values. It gives access to users from all countries across the globe, except China and United States. Its major functionality is exchange or transfer of the data from one device to another. It delivers all the necessary information required for the data publishers. It performs power distribution between various categories like media owners, distribution platforms, publishers, consumers, and third-party intermediaries. The new project can be best described as being a platform that is able to directly reward content creators for all of their hard work. Also, they cut out the third parties that tend to make a rather healthy percentage of the money that flows in, with the creators themselves often struggling to make ends meet or it even being worth that while making it in the first place. However, it must be stressed that this is not an app, but rather a software kit that can then be developed by individuals to produce their own apps. In addition, they have created the Media Digital Token, and this is the only currency that will be made available to use across the entire platform. Media Protocol actually product is a software development kit designed to easily create the back-end architecture for decentralized apps, meant to share media including videos, music, or text. Content creators can directly publish their work and earn profits from users if they set up a subscription or paywall feature, or from advertisers who gain exposure through the traffic they draw. Users can also earn tokens for their participation, either as a reward for distributing content across their social network or from advertisers who choose to pay for their attention. Ultimately, each app that implements the protocol will differ in both its reward system and its content. Whenever someone wants to buy the content or access to it, then it operates via a simple smart contract, where there is agreement that for a set price, the user gains access to the content, so both sides know what they are getting for the deal. The first app development using the Media protocol is called CryptoCatnip. An early version is currently available on both Google Play and iTunes, but it will not be fully functional until the Media token is released. The app is entirely developed to cryptocurrencies news. The platform will also include a content recommender server, which will leverage the team's existing talent with artificial intelligence to content users with content they'd likely to be interested in. The system sounds remarkably advanced. It uses not only text and keywords, but a sophisticated engine that can analyze content to determine its topic and themes. The potential success of the blockchain-based platform is going to depend on the number of creators that they can get in sign up, but there are a number of different advantages that should make it easier to convince them to join the platform. Clearly, the ability to draw people in the key, even though it could be a difficult thing to do at the outset until they are more established. First, the content creators has greater control over who gets access to their content. Next, as payments are made via the blockchain, there does mean that transactions are proceeded faster, at a lower fee, and also they cross international borders, since only the cryptocurrency from media protocol will be used. Other content solutions charge too much, so the creator ends up missing out on the substantial amount of money. But the problem is solved thanks to the blockchain. This then means that could charge less for assets and still get more money in the process, which has to be major selling point for all sides. The media protocol system presents an interesting idea, but several similar platforms are developing simultaneously that it will need to compete with. Furthermore, the organization currently provides frustratingly little information about its ICO, and it appears that it may be falling behind on its publisher roadmap. The idea that lies behind media protocol is sound, and you can see how it would prove that rather popular for content creators who are tried to losing out on a large percentage of money thanks to third parties. From that perspective, this cryptocurrency option forms the perfect picture for investment since it's easily to see why content creators could be tempted into moving to this platform over and over anything else. So that is all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.